In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a bill in Xero. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can confidently remove a bill that was entered by mistake or is no longer needed. In Xero, deleting a bill is done by voiding it, which means it will no longer affect your reports, but you'll still have a record that it once existed. This is helpful for audit trails and for keeping a clear history of changes. First, make sure you're logged into your Xero account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look towards the menu where your purchasing and expense options are. Find and click on the Purchases section. This is where Xero groups all of your bills and spending related to suppliers. Once you're in Purchases, you'll see several options for managing what you owe. Click on Bills. This will open a list of all your bills, including draft, awaiting approval, awaiting payment, and any others, depending on the filters you've used in your organization. Now, from the list of bills, carefully select the bill you want to remove. Take a moment to double check you're opening the correct one by checking the supplier name, the date, and the amount. Click on that bill to open its full details. This will bring you to the individual bill screen where you can see all the line items and information associated with it. On this bill screen, look for the Bill Options menu. This is usually found near the top of the page and contains extra actions you can take on this bill. Click on Bill Options to open the drop-down menu. Within that drop-down, choose the option labeled Void. In Xero, voiding is a way to effectively delete a bill from your financials. Before you do this, remember that voiding a bill will reverse its impact on your accounts and reports. If the bill has already been partially paid or reconciled, you may want to review any related transactions first. After you click Void, Xero will show a confirmation message asking you to confirm this action. This is your final chance to make sure you've picked the correct bill. If you're certain you want to proceed, click OK. Once you confirm, the bill will be voided and will no longer affect your balances or